Hi everyone. This is actually the morning of my first live workshop of the year. Now that I'm hosting a series of free business workshops for fashion entrepreneurs, and today's the first one that I'm doing on planning and time management. So the thing is, I haven't been feeling all that well over the last few days. Sort of what started as having a stiff neck and headache. Eventually I had a scratchy throat. Maybe a mild fever and a lot of fatigue, really. It's been a few days and more symptoms have appeared, and actually yesterday all of a sudden I seem to have lost my taste and smell, or not being able to smell as well. I've been trying a lot of different things and smelling some of my more stronger type of essential oils just to see if I can smell that, and it's very, very faint. So I don't know if I may have gotten COVID at some point. I think probably from my little guy. He had a kind of a high fever last week, but it only lasted him for a day or so. So yeah, overall I'm feeling okay, but I'm just feeling really tired. I do have a COVID test scheduled for later this afternoon, so we will find out what the result is of that. But at this moment, I am almost sure that I have it. But things must go on. I have a workshop scheduled for today, and I've been working fairly hard on promoting it and putting all the content together, and I really want to be able to show up and just to be able to present and do the workshop. But it was just a little hard for me, especially this morning. Waking up, I still felt very tired. It's not normal for me. I mean, not to be this tired, right? So my energy level is low, but I had to just find ways to sort of get through this somehow, and I just kind of went about my morning with my regular routine, and slowly kind of just building it up. And so I'm just gonna go and get myself ready for the workshop now, which is going to be starting in half an hour. I just got my little notice reminder popping up for me, and I'll check back in with you a little bit later and we'll see how things go, okay? So I'm dressed, have my makeup on, hopefully it look a little bit more human, presentable, and I'm just about to start my webinar, so we'll see how it goes. I've got my kettle of water boiling here for my green tea. Get a little bit of energy going here. I have my diffuser going with some of my essential oils. I have peppermint and lemon essential oils. I find it helps. It's very invigorating, the scent. And I'm glad I can kind of smell it right now. So I'm just about to get started on my webinar. But before I do that, I just wanted to show you sort of what my setup looks like here. So this is really how my workstation is set, where I have my laptop here. It's connected to external monitor. I have my laptop open today with my PowerPoint presentation that I'm about to deliver. Today's workshop is on planning and time management. So I have my PowerPoint slides here all set up and ready to go. And I also have a cup of green tea and also water. I drink a lot of water throughout the day. So yeah, this is it, and I'm just about to get started on my webinar. So see you soon. So what is product development? Product development is the stage between design and production where your ideas come to life. So I just finished hosting my webinar and I ran into a bit of a technical glitch 10 minutes before. And in fact, I found out that the Zoom link I sent out was not working. So whatever reason, I had included the wrong link. This was a link, probably an older link. So anyways, I logged in and it says unable to connect. And of course I was like, holy crap, 10 minutes. I had to go send out an email to notify all my attendees that the link is not working and give them the correct link. So that was a bit of a panic situation because I literally had done everything to prepare and plan for this webinar, including, posting and promoting it, and I had set up my email sequence and reminders for 2 hours ahead, 1 hour ahead with the link, and then finding out that the link is not working. So had to send out an email out to tell them with the correct link. Fortunately, people got that email and showed up for it. But, these things happen. I thought I did everything and failed to check that the link was working with the most important thing, right? But overall, I think the workshop went well. The people who attended said that they all found it very helpful, so that's good. Yeah, but I'm going to be running more workshops, so hopefully things will go a little bit smoother next time. So I am off to get my COVID test now, so we will see how it goes. So here we are, the end of the day. I went and got my COVID test. They gave me a take-home rapid test to do at home. And I tested positive for COVID, but I'm not surprised because I've been having symptoms. And I've been feeling okay for the most part, just really tired and watery eyes. I'm not sure why. Let me know if anyone else has this symptom, like watery eyes. But yeah, other than that, I feel okay. So I've been advised to self-isolate and rest until I'm symptom free. And I should be okay, yeah, I just have to rest and take it easy a little bit. And thank you for being here, and I will see you next time when I feel better and healthier as well. All right, take care. Bye.